It's Mr. Drew, yeah. Party tonight, come make we party tonight,
I said thank God for my life. As you see me so, don't be by my mind. Follow me go, party tonight.
Like
Mr. Drew says, late tonight.
another.
Hello! We are now in Seattle, Washington. Yeah, first day namin. So, samahan niyo kami mag-travel with my wife and my baby.
Say hi, Kian.
So, order kami ngayon ng bololo, beef salpicao, and the tamarind chicken wings. Dito kami ngayon sa Public Market Center. Papasokan namin ito. I think we're late kasi hapon na. Pero so nandito na kami kasi
I can see it now, I can feel it now. When you touch me, in my bloodstream. When you touch me, you can lift me up. Sails high above me, rivers in my heart. I can feel it now, coming closer. I can feel it now, taking over. In the heat of it, in my heartbeat, and the magic slips through my bloodstream. You can lift me up to places.
So dito naman kami sa punta kami dito sa Grand Wall. Ito yung sikat na sa Post Alley na mga bubble gum and then dinidikit nila sa wall before. Dito kami sa waterfront. Yan, waterfront. Ganda ng view nila dito. See that? Diba? We're back! Ayan. Sa hotel na kami.
Pagod?
Ayan, napagod kami. Although okay pa rin naman kasi malalapit tayo ng pupuntahan. Kaya mo pa rin lakarin. Pero sa hotel namin, pag nilakad mo, medyo malayo.
Pataas.
Diba? Kasi matarik, diba? So like, baka mga 30 minutes yun. Pero may sasakyan naman kami. So nag-park lang kami and then inikot namin buong tourist place dun sa gilid. Yeah. Say hi, Kian. The hotel. Are you tired?
Go show them what you. Go show them what you. What's your snacks? What are you eating?
What's you eating?
Show them.
So tomorrow, saan tayo pupunta?
We will go in the boat. We'll figure it out.
Titignan namin sa amin pupunta tomorrow. So yung punta namin dito sa Seattle is DIY lang. So ano na yung
We will have dinner tomorrow.
Ano lang yung pupuntahan namin is yun lang.
You have two?
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Where else we're going, Kian?
Waterfall,
Uh-huh.
and the park, and the bike, and the going, and the boat.
The boat. Tomorrow we're going to the boat. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, this is the second day namin dito sa Seattle, Washington. So, saan ba tayo pupunta?
We're going to Snoqualmie Waterfall.
Maganda yung weather today. Yan. Medyo makulimlim siya. Malamig.
It's not hot today. Let's go look around. Ito kaya ako sa okay. Yay! Then, 29 minutes from our hotel.
I was born feeding the dust. I built my reputation, fought for recognition. I was raised an underdog, would take any evasion and without hesitation. I was born feeding the dust.
Hello, guys. We're here at Snoqualmie Waterfall. Yan.
I got naked bug.
We're going.
Troll.
We're here at Premature. Dito na kami sa Premature. Let's go, let's go.
Careful, careful.
hello. Yan, nandito naman kami sa Space Needle.
I like it.
Why?
I like it.
Come on. Ayan, punta kami sa taas.
No.
Ayan, tatakot ang aking anak. Bakit? Come on, let's go.
No.
I know, come on. Takot. Baka sandal kami sa salamin. So now, kakagaling lang namin sa Space Needle. Punta naman kami na
Chihuly.
Glass Museum. Ayan. Saan tayo pupunta? Glass Museum. Are you happy, boss? You said you're scared. So we are now in Chihuly Garden and Glass. Yan.